The letter U can make an OO sound. OO. For example, June. I'm going to highlight the letter U in yellow. Now, in addition to the letter U by itself, there's also several letter combinations that can make the OO sound as well. For example, UI, fruit, UE, true, and OU, group. I'm going to highlight these letter combinations in green. Now, to demonstrate this, I'm going to talk about something really exciting. I'm going to talk about space exploration. On Tuesday, February 20th, 1962, John Glenn orbited the Earth. He went into space on a rocket ship and went around the Earth 3 times. Then, 7 years later, in 1969, something even more amazing happened. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon. This is called the moon landing or the lunar landing. Now, some people like to spread rumors that the lunar landing wasn't real, that it wasn't true, that it was an illusion. But that's just rude. It ignores the hard work of thousands of scientists. Space exploration is always a group effort. 14 years after the moon landing in 1983, Sally Ride became the first woman in space. John Glenn, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Sally Ride were all astronauts. Astronauts travel to space on rocket ships. Now, being in space is very dangerous, so there's strict rules that astronauts have to follow. For example, astronauts have to secure their tools so they don't float away like balloons and get lost. Also, astronauts have to wear their spacesuit correctly to keep warm and to be able to breathe. Without a spacesuit, you can't breathe in space. Eating is also different in space. Astronauts often eat soup and fruit from tubes. Now, we don't just send humans into space. We also send machines. For example, we send space probes to take pictures of the planets in our solar system, like Jupiter and Neptune. Probably the most fascinating object in our solar system is the sun. The sun produces lots of nuclear energy. And right now, we're in the middle of an AI revolution. AI technology consumes lots of energy. Hopefully, in the future, we can use more of the sun's energy to power our beautiful blue planet. Now, space exploration requires super advanced technology, as well as a deep knowledge of math and science. NASA, the government institution responsible for space exploration, continues to recruit individuals with strong knowledge of math and science. Students often develop an interest in math and science through STEM programs in school. STEM programs promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Also, universities like Duke University right here in North Carolina have space-related programs that inspire future scientists. Now, there's one problem with space exploration: pollution. Launching a rocket creates lots of air pollution and noise pollution. And yes, pollution is a nuisance. it's irritating. But space exploration is worth it. And you know what? Space isn't just about science anymore. It's about tourism. Who needs a boat when you can cruise through space? Who needs the ocean when you can cruise the cosmos? Book your rocket ship cruise today. Probably not. You have to be really rich, like Jeff Bezos or Richard Branson or Elon Musk to go on a rocket ship cruise. To conclude this video, I want to ask you, do you enjoy looking up at the night sky? Do you have a favorite planet? Do you have a favorite star? Do you have a favorite constellation?